Hey, Miss Alana here, working on some math. I know you are working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day. So guess what? We are down to the last question for our soccer math Messi sheet. This is part 2 of his monthly salary. So make sure if you have not done the other parts or you got some questions wrong, go check out the videos to help you out. All right, so we are working on his monthly salary. Let's go to the side and zoom it in. Yeah, you got this. You got this. All right. So let's read the question right there. It says, about how much does he earn per day? So the last question, well, at the top, it had his monthly salary. Part 1, we calculated his annual salary. That means for the year. For this last question, we are going to work on his daily salary. Okay? Now, how many days are there in a month? Well, every month has different number of days. Some months have 31 days. Some months have 30 days. One month, February, has 28 days. Sometimes on leap years, it has 29 days. So instead of doing all that, I use the approximate number. That's why I have the approximate symbol right there. It's a squiggly equal sign for 30 days. So what do we need to do? Let's read the clue. Oh, whoa, that rhymed. What do we need to do? Let's read the clue. What do we need to do? Let's read the clue. All right. To calculate how much money he earns per day, divide the monthly salary by 30. Okay? So, let me move this up because sometimes when you do long division, you need a lot of space. Let's read that again. To calculate how much money he earns, we are going to what? Operate? Not operate like a doctor. Operate like in math. We are going to divide. Oh, I need the pen. Of course I need the pen. The pen. We need to divide what? The monthly salary by 30. So let us set up that problem. Now, when you set it up, what we're dividing by goes on the outside. What we're actually dividing goes on the inside. Let me write that down. 30 goes on the outside. And on the inside, we have 6,783,333. Okay, are you ready? Now, hold on. Before we begin, I know some of you are like, Milana, I can't multiply by 30. I can't divide by 30. But I've told you it's so easy. It's like multiplying and dividing by what? By 3. So let's write our clues down to help us. Help me skip count by 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. What's next? 21, 24, 27, and 30. So that's dividing by 3. If we are going to divide by 30, what do? So easy. Just add a 0. Multiplying by 30 is like multiplying by 3 with a 0 at the end. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Bam. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now I'm going to put that there to help you out even better. So let's look at the problem. 6 divided by 30. So if I stop right there, how many 30s are there in 6? Nothing. So I will put a 0 right there. Make sure they're lined up on top of each other. So now we have 67. Well, let's look right here. Do you see how many times? Right here, 60. 90 is too much, 30 is not enough. 60, that's just right. So that's 2 times. We write the 60 right here. Then we subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now what? Bring down the 8. Now I have 78. Well, let's look at the chart we just made. 78, see, 90 is too much again, so that would be 60. And how many times is that? 2 times. 2 times. Put the 2 right there, and then write the 60. Let's subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now what do? Bring down the next number. Come on down the next number. This 3, come on down, comes on down. Oh, that was weird. Comes down, and that's a 183. So let's look at our chart on the side. Where do you see 183? Oh, we could keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, keep going. Oh, no, 210, that's too much. So we stop right here at 180, and let's count. How many times is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So the 6 goes on top of the 3, because look, the 3 went down, so the 6 goes up. Oh, 3 went down, 6 goes up. 6 times 30 is 180. Subtract that. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what? Now what do I do? Bring down 3. Come on down 3. So that next 3 comes down, and I have 33. Let's look at our chart. Where, oh, that's it. We stop right there. Stop right there at the top. How many times is that? 1 time. 1 times 30, 1 goes up. 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what do we do? Come on down. Number 3, come on down. Bring down that 3 right there. And 33. Oh my goodness, look. 33, 33 is the same thing. We just did that. How many times is that? 1 time. So the 1 goes on top. 1 times 30 is 30. Subtract that. That's a 3 and a 0. And now what? We still have another 3. Come on down, number 3. Come on down, number 3. Oh, hold on. What am I doing? 3. Oh, that's weird. I gotta erase that. Okay, the 3, 33. How many times does 30 go? We just did that again. We know it's 1 time. And, okay, let me scoot it over here. So I have 33 minus 30, which is 3. Nothing else to bring down, but look, it's going to keep on going. So I can stop right there, or if you want to put your decimal, you can. I'll just stop right there. It's fine. We'll leave that answer just like that. Now we need a unit. What's the unit? $sign and the comma. Look, I can count 1, 2, 3, or look, I can just bring it on up. Bring it on up. No comma because that's a 0. So we have that answer, 226,111. Write your sentence. He earns $226,111 per what? Per day. Yes, I am done. I know you're done. If you skipped around with the videos, go back to watch the other ones. Make sure your entire front sheet is done. Make sure the back side is done, and you are done with that sheet. Work on reflex math. Work on study ladder. Get smarter and smarter every day, and I'll see you then.